coaching thought for the day. So you've probably heard it said before that silence is golden. That is not always in the case of a room of crying babies. That works also for coaching. So sometimes as a coach, hopefully often, you're asking tough questions, right? But sometimes as a coach, it's easy to want to bail teachers out. When we ask a question, we need to just sit there, let the thinking, let the heavy lifting be done by the teacher. Because it might be the first time that teacher's considered that question before. And to jump in and rescue them, what I call rescue them, or to answer their questions, then we are doing a disservice to them and kind of dishonoring them that we don't think that they can answer that question. So if you have to clarify what you're asking, by all means, absolutely do that. But if you're just jumping in because you want to help them, because it's taking them a little time to think and process, let's not do that. Silence is golden. Give them time and let them come up with their own answers for it. Don't be so concerned with getting your answers and your thoughts in, because that's not what coaching is all about.